Alright, I managed to get everybody up to level 30. I also fought a trainer on the way, that's irrelevant right now. Speaking of that, let's kill stuff. I mean, speaking of, irrelevance, I have a sand slash, man. Just bite, I don't fucking care. All Pokemon have pros and cons depending on their types. If their types differ, a higher level Pokemon may lose in battle. Learn which types are stronger and weak against your Pokemon style. Alright, whatever. Oh shit, oh shit. Toll is 1,000 Pokédollars to get through. Thank you very much. Well, that was kind of an asshole. Everyone wants to see what's going on at Lake Rage. Hey, make it up. Okay, just whatever. Where's Lake of Rage, huh? I just fight this guy. I don't lick a tongue. I don't even care. I don't even fucking. Oh god. Edo King. Just bite, I guess. Slowbro. That's type water, or that's water. Part water. Alright, let's gonna get a level 32. It might evolve by then. I don't actually know at what point it evolves. Entei. Yeah, it's obviously not going to not gonna catch. I really don't know what's with these wild encounters, randomly. Alright, new guy. Oh god, Gyarados. Well, it's dead. Also, we'll just get whatever's in here. It's a Bitterberry, and that didn't sound that great. Yeah, fuck it, let's, Noctowl might evolve quickly, or, well, soon, too, maybe, but I don't actually know. Either way. Let's go, to Lake of Rage, which we are at now. Any headbutt trees? Nah, nothing important here. Oh, no, didn't mean to do that, but whatever, let's, jeez, a lot of areas where we could, that's a shack, whatever that is. Let's see, TM43, what's that? 43 detect, evades attack that, if it evades attack that turn, oh, well, okay. May fail, alright. Alright, you know what, just get this elixir. I've heard somewhere that, like, elixir is spelled wrong in Pokemon. Whatever, I don't even care. Well, how do you do? Seeing as how Wednesday is today, I'm Wesley of Wednesday. The Black Belts, huh? Heaves up the power of fighting moves. Does anyone have fighting moves? Okay, there's Rock Smash. Other than that, let's see. What else? Strength might be a fighting move. I don't think so, though. Well, Growlithe already has something. I'm not gonna bother to explain what he has, but he has something. Let me just get to the shack right here. Hello, sir. You have strayed far. Hold on, Jesus, my fucking headphone is hurting my head. Sorry about that. The headphone was scraping the top of my head. You have strayed far. Here I have meditated. Inside me a new Pokemon has been awaited. I share the power with you. Take this, child. I received TM10. What? You see it? It is hidden power. Yeah, cool. I have freaking unknowns for that. And I got rid of my A between videos straight after my Sand Shrew was turned into Sand Slash. Not sure whether or not that was a good idea. An execute. Headbutted a tree, came to an execute. You know what, that is at the perfect position to catch it. I might as well do that. Just do it. Oh, really? It's still asleep. So I guess during, like, the night, it's asleep. That's how I think it works, generally. It's asleep. I can't really do anything else to it. Just, there, catch it out. Group of eggs. Let's look in other trees, maybe. Venonat. A Venonat, or whatever, however you pronounce it. I don't fucking care. Can we surf on the lake? Well, we need to get to it first. All the way around. No, we can't get to the lake. There's so many trees we could just headbutt. I'm not sure if every tree is unique that way. Like maybe if one tree has a chance of triggering this Pokemon or whatever. Okay, this one doesn't really want to trigger anything. Not sure if this is a good idea or not. I'm just gonna keep doing the same tree until it works. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna be annoying. Sir, I think I talked to you. What? Oh my god, really? Those guys again? Found Max Ether. Cool. Okay. Okay, Brent, the Psychic Brent, I guess? Or was it the Pokemania? I don't even fucking remember. Actually, yeah, that's fine. For Alligator first. Uh-oh. Lag. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're here now. Okay, we're actually here. Magikarp. I think we kill it. So, is this a thing? Okay, so I guess this is shiny. It's shiny, it must be shiny. Must be a shiny. Let's just use Surf, I guess. I don't really know what else to use without freaking hurting. Oh, that is perfect. I guess it's worth using a, yeah, I don't know, use a Plume in here. It's worth using a oh no, that's not great. Sleep Powder. Okay, fell asleep. Now, it's worth using an Ultra Ball. Okay, oh shit. Aw, really? I have so many balls. Am I able to catch this thing? Maybe it's plot relevant that I don't catch it? Shit, what do I do? Why would it be plot relevant? That's kind of stupid. Oh, I did it! It was my last ball. Atrocious. It's atrocious. It's atrocious. Well, I mean, I think the evolution under the Gyarados is kind of atrocious, if you know what I mean. But I'm pretty sure Gyarados himself. Yeah, see that thing. I'm not even gonna. It doesn't even deserve to be called by name. No, okay, but seriously. So we got a shiny Gyarados. A Gary. I wonder if there's any connection to the what? Outbreak? Mass outbreak? There's a mass outbreak. There's a tree here. More trees, more trees. Okay, pointless. I guess the trees are just, like, scripted to have stuff. Maybe I just got lucky with the execute. What's this old man here? It's a bad omen. Also known as Gyarados Lake. Well, I caught the Gyarados. Nothing else. The Magikarp were being forced to evolve. Did he come here because of the rumors? You're damn I'm Lance. What, Lance? And I remember you. I can tell you're a trainer, considerable skill. If you don't mind, could you help me investigate? Excellent. It seems that Lake Magikarp are being forced to evolve. A mysterious radio coming from Mahogany is the cause. I'll be waiting for you, damn Oh shit, he just freaking teleported. No, just this girlfriend, I don't even know. Mission Guru's house. It was the really good rod. On the lake, I don't understand what's happening. This is probably plot relevant right now, but I'm not even fucking caring right now. Just get the good rod. Ah, shit. Well, I gotta get the phone, so damn it, I'll be right back. God damn it, I tripped over something as I got that phone. Anyways. Okay, Sleuths, are you awake? I saw a beautiful teacher. I wish I could become a beautiful teacher, too. Okay. I guess this is just gonna be Magikarps. I mean, that's what I assume. Oh my god. Am I actually losing money? No. I think I am. These guys are real assholes. Let's try not entering that building now. I could get in the way another. I didn't know why I didn't think of that. So we just got a shiny Gyarados. I can't stop thinking about that. That's pretty awesome. Really? Lake of Rage right now, really? Oh. Something's going on. Took you. Just as I thought, that strange radio signal's coming from here. Oh, this asshole, huh? I don't even know who he is. Stairs are right here. Oh shit, what? We should split up to check out this place. I'll go first. Well, let me just go all the way away from this place. Perhaps I didn't make it clear. Let me just drop off, let me just briefly drop off Noctowl, and, let me see what Gyarados is. I probably should have checked the stats, whatever. I know it's water type. What other type is it? Because I know in Gen 1 it was Dragon and Water, so it's just Water and Flying in this one. It's also shiny. That might be slightly important, and it still knows Dragon Rage, so that's confusing as hell. But you know what? I have my alligator thing, just the alligator thing. You know that thing. So sorry, Gyarados, you're gonna go bye-bye. Plus, I don't think oh yeah, I also got a Meowth. That was from the daytime, I think. Oh no, that was from the nighttime, actually. What type is it? Just normal, right? Yeah. I think Persian, that's the evolution. Yeah, that's also normal. I think Stantler, as I remember, I got Stantler. That's normal, I'm pretty sure. You know, Noctowl. That's not my towel. Get the hell out of there. I feel like if I evolve Growl, it's like one more level it's going to evolve. So, I'm not going to cut this out just because it's not going to take like any time just to evolve at one level. Oh my god, except for when this happens. Okay, just seriously though. I'm excited to see an Arcanine if it happens. Unless I need to use a Firestone, which in that case I don't think so. Oh god, one more battle. I feel like fire should be like super effective against flying, because like you burn feathers. Whatever. Okay, alright. Maybe 33? Okay, alright, let's not... I'm not gonna waste your guys' time by not cutting this out. Alright, let's go check out that hideout in there. You found the secret stairway. We're not gonna do anything about it, huh? Alright. Not sure if that was a glitch in the emulator, or if that was actually happening. Okay, I guess that wasn't. Okay, I guess we're still facing off against rockets and stuff. Drowsy, huh? It's level 17. Oh man, I'm scared. It's level 17. It's super effective. Oh man. Oh my god, not even a Golbat, just a Zubat. Oh my god, we're all gonna die. Gotta run. Just run from this guy. Okay, that's not very effective. And just fucking hurt it or some shit like that. Don't hurt yourself in your own confusion. How does that even happen? What? I don't even care. What? There's another guy? No. Ah, shit. I need a fucking, shit, I need, wait, Dark's good against Psychic, Psychic's good against Poison. Man, I wish we had a Psychic move that I can actually attack, not freaking, not like, whatever Noctowl has. In fact, speaking of Noctowl, let's just change to him. You know, what was it, like, Reflect? What is this? It's a Persian statue. Its eyes are oddly shiny. Speaking of shiny, I better get some more Pokeballs. It's not really relevant to anything, actually, but... Oh, hiya, kid. I see you're new in Mahogany Town. Right now, it's just for... Okay, fine then. Okay, good. Is there a mart here? Please tell me... Oh my god, really? Just... Oh my god, this guy is really annoying. Looks like I'm gonna have to go back to another mart. Okay, this may seem like a bit of a sequence bum. Whatever you want to call it. But I'm going all the way back here. Just to get some Ultra Balls. Alright, Great Balls, fine. I'm fine with this. Now 5 Great Balls, we're good to go. Well, not really, but... we have something, right? You know? Right? Yeah. A Seeking, get out. I don't even care. I don't need no water types. But yeah, speaking of that, I'm sort of thought to myself of like what's the best general starter to have, and in the long run I guess there's no real like best one. It's really your decision, but in my opinion it's best to get the fire one, even though again that's my opinion about that, but oh my god, another rocket. I think technically a fire one would be the better, like, strategy, because, you can get a lot of grass types early on in the game, at least from the games I've played. And also water types. You can just get a Magikarp or something when you get the old rod. So at the very least, there's that. And man, I'm just taking out these Drowsies, and really, it's the same exact guy. Really, another. See, this is like the same exact thing. Grimer, and then Rattata. Let's just change to a let's just change to freaking Noctowl if I feel like it. I don't know when. I'm not sure if a Noctowl evolves any further. Probably. Probably not, actually. I really don't know. Yeah, so... Oh, really? All these... I'm guessing you're just supposed to... Really? Oh yeah, hypnosis is also another thing that's psychic, but it doesn't really count. And like, oh my god, oh my god. Really? Okay, so I think we're good now? No, not yet. Ah, shit. Okay, finally, you're disabled no more. Fuck you. This is the same exact guy, now that I think about it. Yeah, same exact two guys. This is really annoying, actually. Oh my god. A nugget. Yup. I don't know if there's any way around it. Oh my god, just die. I'm just like one-shotting these guys pretty much. So, Jesus. Oh, got a coughing, just kill it. I don't even care, I'm just getting rid of all these guys. There's probably some sort of way I'm supposed to get around this, but, Jesus. Do I care? Probably do, but, you know. By that I mean I do. Omega. 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 Oh my god. Oh my dear god. These exact same two guys. These exact same two guys. Switch to Sand Slash, I don't fucking care. I think Sand Slash is as high as he can go. I mean, in evolution-wise. I don't care. Okay, luckily that doesn't happen again. Actually, honestly, I don't care about the poison right now. Yeah, whatever, scientist, I can take this guy out. Chigetic, go out, man, you can do your best. Sorry, oh yeah, right, you're flying, that's probably not the best idea. Another thing about that, sorry if the commentary's starting to sound stupid by now, but, I really, alright, whatever, just, you know, I really don't know what to say about this. This is getting kind of annoying. Okay, let's not touch those. Lance? You alright? Your Pokemon are hurt and tired. Here, give them some of my medicine. Damn high, let's give it our best for Pokemon. What? I didn't pay attention to that at all. Alright, whatever. Door's closed. Needs password to open. Oh my god. Just, okay, at least these guys are slightly less annoying than the Persian statues. Persian statue guys, whatever you want to call them. Was there another way? No, there wasn't. As far as I'm aware. Takes 2 passwords to get in the boss's quarters. Those passwords are known only to a few rockets. That rocket there very graciously told me so. Let's go get those passwords. Alright. Fall heal, fall heal. Ice heal. I don't even care, I'm gonna get rid of all these guys. Oh god, I'm poisoned. Oh god, oh god. Whatever. You're dead. Okay, this is the first, like, girl rocket I've seen in quite some time. The last one being, like, all the way under the well, or whatever that was. Gloom! How could you betray me? Oh my god. Oh wait, what is this? Almost like paper right here. Guess it's not. More people. What else do we have? I just get rid of this guy. I don't even care. I don't fucking care. I just. The password to the boss's room. I think it's Eradicate Tail. Protein and X Special. Alright, we got some stuff. Eradicate Tail. Oops, that's fucking weird. Okay, wait. Did any of these other ones give us the password? Am I supposed to remember this? Slowpoke Tail and Eradicate Tail? Open sesame, I guess. I don't even know. What is this place? Oh my god, more Raditas. Oh my god, this guy again, asshat. Wait, what? I wasn't paying attention to that at all. So I guess this is the boss's room, or... Okay, let's go back because I think I missed something. Pretty sure I missed something. Isn't there a third staircase somewhere? Okay, maybe not. Whatever, let's enter this staircase, let's see what it does. Oh, it needs a password to open it. Okay, that's a totally different password. Okay. Alright, this is starting to make sense now. Let's go back. Okay, well this has TM46. Didn't we already see a TM46? Thief. I don't wanna... Maybe we'll steal a held item, but I don't know which Pokemon has held items, and it doesn't tell you in battle. So, yeah. What? Who are you? This is the office of our leader, Giovanni. Oh, this guy again. Since disbanding Team Rocket 3 years ago, he's been in training, but we're certain he will be back someday to assume command again. That's why we're standing guard. I won't let anyone disturb this place. Oh, God. This is the true Rocket hideout. Rocket Executive. Rocket Executor. It's funny because he has a Zubat and I don't, just forget about that entirely. Yeah, you know what? I don't even care if this is anticlimactic. I'm speeding through this. Yeah, let's change to a trusty. Who's trusty? You're trusty enough. Get over here. You just want a brand new car. No, I can't let this affect me. I have to inform the others. Dumbass. That's what you get for using fast forward. Who are you? Murkrow? The password is the Hail Giovanni. Okay, so